Hey Ruth, I'm looking at your Google Doc and I didn't want to just make changes, but I noticed a couple confusing things. So I started out looking, I wanted to find the name of the MSU center that we spoke with. And so I Googled this name here, Community Development Association of Michigan, and got this web page, which is not the place we met with. I don't. Maybe they're perfectly interesting, but it's not the place we met with. And so I thought, oh, I'll go to the recording and figure out the name of that MSU center by watching the recording, and that actually links to the Worcester recording. Um, and then I just Googled around and found what I was looking for, which is the Center for Community and Economic Development. That's the one we met with, right? So anyway, there are a couple inconsistencies here. And while I'm on the topic, it occurred to me that when we make our big presentation to Academic Senate exec, or I don't know if we're going to be ready to do this. I don't know if the 17th is going to be the right moment. I don't know. We'll talk about it this weekend, but perhaps we could pull clips from the Beyond Boundaries meeting, the meeting with this guy, and then also the meeting with the Gephardt Institute, which I haven't seen yet, but I'm sure it's equally good, because what the three of them are doing are so great. It might just be sort of a good citation for us to have in our argument there. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon.